Hi, if you want to take burst shot photos on Samsung Galaxy S25, then just open camera and make sure you're in a photo mode. Then all you have to do is to drag this camera shutter button down like that. So just swipe from it down, and with the help of this way, you can take up to 100 photos at once. Now just tap the result and you'll see the amount of photos which you have taken here. You can tap it and then you can select items you want to keep. Tap the arrow and choose to delete all the unselected pictures and then tap save. And now we got only 2 pictures from this 100. Another way is with the help of volume up and down buttons. For that, tap 4 dots, then tap settings icon. And now we need to find shooting methods. So let's scroll a bit down, tap it. And now we can just set our press volume buttons to take picture or record video. After that, when you will hold your volume up or volume down button, you can also take burst shot photos, as you can see. Let's try this out with volume down. And yep, it's working. So that's it for today. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.